Daytona 500.
Caution is out for a crash.
For the 45 of Tyler Reddick.
I didn't even see what happened, so let's take a look and see
Little bit of gap here.
who caused the wreck. Ooh, Tyler Reddick into the wall. Ooh. Ooh, Kyle Larson, and unfortunately was involved. Ooh, save for Chase Elliott. Wow. I mean, it's not a lot of cars, but still, it was disappointing.
Let's listen to Harvick here.
Ooh, Kevin Harvick got Tyler Reddick into the wall. Ooh.
Man, did you see how close Chastain was to that?
That was intense. Oh, Chase Elliott
damage.
got involved.
Suarez.
Tough break.
Pretty hard. 9.
Take a look at this again. Wow. Tons of grass on the camera. Wow. Unfortunately, that might end
Eric Jones,
his
the Guns
day.
N' Roses cam shows you what happened to him.
It's great to have Eric Jones representing Guns N' Roses, one of my favorite all-time bands
Welcome to the jungle.
who's been great Dodge Rochester. Yeah, it's great to have Eric Jones sponsor Guns N' Roses. I mean, what I meant to say was like, it's great to have Guns N' Roses sponsor Eric Jones. That's what I meant. But still, it's a pretty good race so far. Can't wait to enjoy the rest.